And the race is on. Erica's talent, Speak Low, running in the middle, Victory Ranger. Alongside it, Shades of Red, then comes Domek Bideral. And on the outside, Western Champ Live in Manila, while Rube Knight is the early trailer. It's Erica's talent by 2, followed by Victory Ranger. Speak Low racing third, running by the rallies Domek. Shades of Red is racing fifth as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Erica's talent this time by some 3 lengths, followed by Victory Ranger. Domek down on the inside alongside Speak Low. Shades of Red is racing fifth by some 2 lengths, running down on the inside. Rube Knight, Western Champ, and Live in Manila is now running at the tail of the field. Speak Low, followed by Victory Ranger, Erica's talent, Domek. Shades of Red down on the inside, Rube Knight, and rushing up is Live in Manila. Rounding the far turn, Victory Ranger. And on the outside, Speak Low. Victory Ranger, Speak Low, Speak Low, Victory Ranger. Live in Manila, rushing up from the outside and running down in the inside is Shades of Red. Last 450. It's now Speak Low, Live in Manila. Shades of Red running in the middle as they race the final corner. Live in Manila, Speak Low, Shades of Red in the middle. And nearing the last 250 meters more to run. Shades of Red, Live in Manila from the outside. Live in Manila, Shades of Red down on the inside. But still Live in Manila, Shades of Red down on the inside. Live in Manila, Shades of Red by the rail. And finally, it's going to be close. Live in Manila, Shades of Red, Speak Low, Victory Ranger, Rube Knight, Erica's talent, Domek, and Western Champ.